Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to add EVM chain to Trust Wallet core. Now, adding an EVM or Ethereum virtual machine compatible chain to Trust Wallet involves configuring the wallet to interact with the desired blockchain network. Here's a step-by-step guide to add an EVM chain such as Binance Smart Chain or any other EVM compatible network to Trust. Now, first thing, you just go ahead and install the Trust Wallet application from your Play Store. Open up your Play Store and install the application and create your account. When you've done creating your account, it's going to take you to the home page. That's going to look something like this. While you're on this page, you need to go ahead and tap on the gear icon from the top left hand side corner of your screen. Next, you just have to scroll down a bit and then go to the section that says Wallet, or you could also go to Preferences. And when you locate the wallet section, select the wallet you want to configure for the EVM chain. After that, access the network, that is tap on More button, 3 dot next to the wallet name, and add custom network or a network. As you're done filling the network details for the EVM compatible chain you want to add, here's the example of some popular chains such as Binance Smart Chain. The chain ID is 56 and the symbol includes BNB. And apart from it, you could also switch the added network type and access the managed assets. By following these steps, you can successfully add and configure an EVM chain in Trust Wallet, enabling you to manage asset and interact with the apps on the network. So that is how you could go ahead and add EVM chain to Trust Wallet core. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.